Find features that differentiate it from other brands for BILT HARD. 24-inch gas-powered trench air, 15 HP, 420 cc, e-start gas engine, 27 pieces carbide teeth, ditching mini trench air. And why you should buy choose? Because, consists of highlight features as follows. Powerful performance. Features a heavy-duty 15 HP, 420 cubic centimeters, gasoline engine with electric start, delivering robust power for the most demanding trenching jobs. The included 12-volt, 20-amp-hour battery ensures quick, effortless startups every time, getting you to work faster without the hassle of pull cords. High-efficiency digging system. Equipped with an 81.5-inch digging chain armed with 27 carbide alloy teeth and 9 scrapers, this trench air easily cuts through soil to create clean trenches up to 24-inch deep and 4-inch wide. Designed for high productivity and professional-grade results on any project. Enhanced mobility and user-friendly control. Boasts large 15-inch wheels, 2 rear, 1 front, for superior stability and easy transport over rough terrain. Combined with the intuitive depth control and anti-forward safety lock, these features work in unison to provide precise, safe, and remarkably labor-saving operation. Durable V-belts. Come with 2 V-belts, which have good performance on reducing vibration and low elongation than other normal belt. Extremely high strength and low elongation under load results in increased belt longevity and durability. Versatile professional applications. From fertile farms to backyard gardens and construction sites, this gas trench air is your go-to tool. Effortlessly handle critical tasks, lay irrigation lines to nourish crops, create clean edges for lush lawns and flower beds, or precisely excavate for buried cables, pipes, and drainage systems. Turn challenging digging projects into simple, fast work. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.